So this is factory right here. The front windshield. See how visible that is. So they're working on the front now. 170 tint. So they said we got to work on this now. Let's see what we got. Let's jump into it. So what we have in the front is the 70% ceramic tint. It's pretty super clear, which you guys will see in just a moment when I go outside. This is how it looks on the inside during the day. There's only like some errors that I think could have done better. Right here, you guys probably can't tell, but it's actually on the glass and not on the black part. Just this little part right here. Everything else is fine throughout the whole thing. And there's maybe 3 or 4 bubbles that are like right here. I'll show you on the outside. But it looks good. And then right here, I went with the carbon tint of the 35 right here. The front windshield is the highest grade. This is the mid grade. And then I kept the back as is factory. It's already pretty dark to me. I believe this is 20-25% visible. So, and oh look, the sun's coming out. This is perfect. So now let's go back to the sun. So you guys see, it's still pretty clear. And let's see. As a matter of fact, I haven't even rolled these down yet. Oh dang it! I'll deal with that later. Let's see how it looks. And then let's. So this is actually my first time rolling this window down. I don't even, because I don't sit in the passenger seat. But on first glance, I don't see any streaks, any tears, any bumps. On the driver's side, same thing as well. Now I will say this, I do have an issue with the driver's side. Sometimes when I get out, when I get back in, my windshield does this. I'll have to get this fixed. Alright, so it's nighttime now, and let me cut my lights off actually, so you guys can see a little bit better. But this is how it looks at night in the parking lot. Like I said, you can still see pretty clearly, just as a comparison reference. It's not super black. I have the flash off, so this is basically how it would be if you were just riding around. You can see just a little bit the red interior, but really, if the car is parked, you can't really see it but so much. But yeah, man, I think for me, I love it. It grew on me in that 5 or 6 days. Like I said, you can barely see the difference at night. Man, you can't quite see inside. You can in person you can see inside. Just with the camera, for whatever reason, you can't quite see inside. This is the factory right here. Alright, so now I'm right up on it. So, yeah, man. Well, let me know what you guys think. In the comments. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. I'm on the way.